Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the best deck for Arena 8 and Clash Royale, or also known in the Frozen Peak. Let's get started. So the deck you'll be using is Hog Rider, Ice Golem, Musketeer, Skeletons, Ice Spirit, Cannon, Rocket, and Zap. This is 2.9 average elixir cycle deck, making it fast, deadly, and very free to play friendly. The main strategy is simple: apply a constant pressure by sending a Hog Rider with Ice Spirit, while the Ice Golem tanks and kites enemy troops. Musketeer handles the air units and support both lanes, while Cannon provides strong defense against tanks. And for the spells, Zap helps to reset infernos and clear the swarms, while Rocket is perfect for taking out glass cannons or securing tower damage in double elixir. Don't be afraid to use Rocket offensively when needed. And finally, use Skeletons and Ice Spirit to cycle fast and defend efficiently. According to the deck stats, this deck has godly defense, great versatility, and excellent for free to play value, making it perfect for mastering Arena 8. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.